Hi guys and welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be detailing my mum's Audi A5 Cabriolet, which is in white, so it should be a nice, satisfying clean. So if you enjoy the video, remember to leave a like and comment and subscribe. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So here we have the Audi A5. It's not looking too filthy at the moment, just got the mud splatters from the road down there, and then wheels are filthy as you'd expect. So let's give it a pre-rinse and then get to the washing. So to start off, we're going to spray some rim cleaner on all four of the alloys. After you've let the rim cleaner settle in for a few minutes, you're going to jump straight into the pre-rinse, get rid of any loose objects on the car, so you don't want to get them in your sponge and scratch all the paint. So here I'm covering the car in a small layer of snow foam so it can loosen up all the dirt on the surface of the car, and then I'm going to go around with my little detail brush and get in all the crevices where the sponge will not get. So here, like the fuel cap, door handles, wing mirrors, and then I'm going to go to the front grille and get all go around the badges. So moving on to my favourite part of the car now, the wheels. If you can't clean your wheels properly, your car just doesn't look clean. So I start off with a stiff brush to get inside the barrel, and then I move on to my little brush to get in all the crevices and all the locking nuts, so the wheel looks super clean. So here I'm using a drying towel to dry off all the car. If you don't have one of these, it's super important you grab one and pick one up. They're only about 20 quid. It will leave your car looking dry and spotless, so it doesn't leave any watermarks after you've just cleaned it. Now I'm applying a sealant to the car so it gives the car a nice beading effect when it rains or any other water. And all dirty water will just run straight off the car so it doesn't stay on the car and make your car look dirty again. After I've done this, I'm going to apply some tyre shine to all 4 of the wheels to make the wheels really stand out. So guys, I've just finished up cleaning the car. It's absolutely looking spotless compared to what it was doing. The wheels are popping and my hands are freezing because it's like 6 degrees, something daft. It was frozen, all the cars are frozen over this morning. So yeah, it's not the warmest of days, but let's get into cinematic of the car. Let's go. So that's the car looking all nice and clean now. I'm going to wrap this video up here. So remember, if you liked it, like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.